In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give gradient color to text here in Canva. Now, if we click onto the text, all we have to do is come up to here to the toolbar where we see the little text color icon. Now, if we click on there, we can then come over to the left-hand side, scroll all the way down, and you're going to see default gradients. Now, if we click on all, we have lots that we can choose from. And all we have to do is click on one of them, and then it's going to add that gradient to our text. Now, if we want to change the color of this, what we want to do is go back one, scroll up, click on the little plus icon, and then it's going to open this gradient tab. Then from here, if we click on this plus icon, we can then add the hex code color just here, or choose from a color on this color palette. And then once you have what you got, we can then choose the style of that gradient as well until we have it how we want. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to give a gradient color to text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.